In this Mac Academy, we'll be talking about the menu bar. The menu bar at the Finder has two parts. On the left, you'll find the familiar drop-down menus that you've come to expect: the Apple menu, File menu, etc. On the right, you find several status icons that give you information about your MacBook. The Apple menu, which is discussed in the Finder Mac Academy, is a very useful tool. In particular, this menu will give you the ability to force quit an application that's behaving badly. It also gives you access to the power controls, such as sleep, restart, and shut down. The File, Edit, and View menus behave as they always have. A new menu that's very useful is the Go menu. The Go menu lets you jump to various locations on your Mac, and it replicates what you see in the sidebar of the Finder window. For example, if you go to the Go menu and select Home, it will take you to the same place as clicking the Finder icon that's on your dock. It will open a window that gives you access to your documents, movies, music, and photos. Notice here that each command that has a keystroke shortcut is identified to the right of that command in the menu. So for example, instead of clicking the Finder icon or going to the Go menu and selecting Home, you could on your keyboard select Shift, Command, and the H key all simultaneously, and it will open the same window. The status icons on your MacBook may vary slightly depending on what applications you have installed. Here what I've tried to do is identify some of the basic status icons that you'll find. Each application has its own menu bar. For example, here I've got the Finder's menu bar, the Firefox menu bar, and the Word menu bar. Notice that the name of the application gets its own menu, and that's located between the Apple menu and the File menu. So when you click on a window of that application, its menu bar will appear. So you should know visually by looking at the menu bar which application you have open. If we pull these menus down to look at them, notice that they give you access to program-specific preferences. Additionally, you can hide the applications from these menus and quit the application. Notice the Finder does not have a quit because the Finder is the program that's running all the time on your Macintosh and provides the interface between you and the operating system. Remember, once you launch the application, it will continue running until you quit the application, even after you've closed all the windows. This is fundamentally different than it is in a Windows XP or Windows 7 environment. The menu bars are built to be very similar between applications, particularly the File and the Edit menus. For example, in almost every program that you'll run on the Mac, the File menu is where you go to Open, Save, and Print. Now, as I said before, most actions contained in the menus have keystroke shortcuts. By pressing the Command key and then simultaneously another key or series of keys, you can initiate commands without going to the menus. For example, Command X is the cut, Command C is the copy, and so on.